Ever heard that scary knocking or pinging sound from your superbike's engine? It's called engine knock, and it's a cry for help. Here are the top 5 reasons it happens. Number 5. Low quality fuel. Superbikes have high compression engines that need high octane fuel. Using cheap octane gas can cause the fuel to ignite prematurely, creating that knocking sound. Number 4. Carbon buildup. Over time, carbon deposits can form on your pistons and cylinder heads. This increases the compression ratio and creates hot spots, leading to early detonation. Number 3. Incorrect ignition timing. If your bike's ignition timing is too advanced, the spark plug fires too early. This fights the piston as it's still moving up, causing a knock. Number 2. Running too lean. An improper air-fuel mixture, with too much air and not enough fuel, can cause temperatures inside the cylinder to spike, leading to pre-ignition. And the number 1 reason, overheating. When your engine runs too hot, everything expands, and the fuel mixture can ignite on its own before the spark plug even fires. So, always use the right fuel and keep your bike well maintained. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.